Yes, I am enjoying the sunshine. Doing my workout. It's getting too hot. So I've got to go inside. Go and sit in the shade, let the phone cool down. How are you? How's your day in London? I heard the weather is very hot. It's true. Would you like to see a tour of my tiny house? Let me show you my tiny house quickly. It's very tiny. Watch. You're gonna laugh. Just gonna go downstairs. So it's a 3-story house. Entrance to my house. Yeah, there's another entrance there. That's the passageway. And behind me is the pathway. So this is the house. 1 floor. And then you got 2 floor. And you got a roof terrace up there. Alaikum salam. How are you?
Namaste, namaste.
Alhamdulillah.
Pakistan?
Ah, London. You come in. It's got all the necessities. As you can see, I've stocked up on all the Moroccan delights from downstairs into the living room. And you got some books here if you read French. And then got the view over there into the Medina, I think. And then you carry on, you go upstairs, and you got a bathroom in here, shower and sink, and then you got a bedroom here. My room, bedroom, right at the top. You got your roof terrace. And sitting out here, got the view. It's a gorgeous day today, so I'm just relaxing here on the top of the roof terrace, enjoying the sunshine. Just thinking what to do for the rest of the day. I'm gonna continue with my workout, see what the day has to offer, I guess. Okay, back upstairs, back to the workout. Greetings from Morocco, Tangier. I'm in sunny Tangier. Just finished my workout on the terrace. Stretched my body out. I feel great. Alhamdulillah. What's the plan for today then? 1 o'clock coming up to. I'm gonna have a shower. Go and pray my salah in the masjid. How's your day going? What your plans are? Drink some water. Assalamualaikum myself. Waalaikumsalam. How are you?
Are you in UK or somewhere else? I've been watching your vlogs.
Oh really?
So I got here to give you a call.
Oh,
Thinking to
thanks.
come down, you know.
Where? Come where?
When is the best time to come? Come to Marrakesh or the Tangier.
Oh, what do you want to do? Come for what? Holiday or with family or?
This is the best time to come.
If you want the cheap tickets, the cheapest tickets are going to be after September.
Weather is a
Well, it's good basically. It's all the time is good. In the evening it's cold, but it's like Bangladesh, you know. There's no heating in the houses, so weather is even December weather is good in the daytime. In the nighttime it's cold, but you know. If you come to Tangier, you go. I think it's Ryanair I come with usually, but I think there's another airline, Morocco or something. They do it. Just have a look at the flights, the direct flights from Stansted. So it's £30, £20, £30 for the flight. Book your flight and everything else. I'll sit down with you where you want to go, what you want to do, driver, accommodation, how long you're going to be there. I can sort that like a plan out for you. First book your flight, then I know what dates you're there, and then we can book everything else around it.
friendly,
Yeah, in Tangier is different to the rest of it. Have you been to Morocco before?
I've been to Marrakesh,
Yeah, no, it's very different to Marrakesh.
No,
Basically.
how far would it be from the airport?
Oh, so if you land in Tangier, the airport, if there's no traffic, is 15 minutes. You want to stay in the new modern town, or you want to stay in the old Medina?
The money and all that, do they accept, what you call it, local money?
If you need a driver, they got an app like Uber. You could just use that and pay them when they drop you to places. It's very cheap. It's like £1, £2.
Can you drive as well?
Yeah, you could drive, but I wouldn't do it. They drive on the other side of the road, and there's no rules really, so you're gonna have an accident. It's cheap anyway to get a taxi from the air, like anywhere. Maybe the airport is a bit expensive because they rip you, but everywhere else it's like £1, £2, £1, £2. Wherever you want, basically, everything is available. If you want the beach, overlooking the beach, then the hotels. Best thing is stay in the Medina. That's where I stay. It's quiet. There's no cars, so it's peaceful. You just hear the birds, the azan. Just have it on Skyscanner. Yes, Skyscanner you can use, or go on Ryanair website. And then once you know or got rough idea, because as soon as you book your flight, if you leave it late, the price goes up. Stansted to Tangier. Yeah. But there's other airports nearby. Rabat is the capital city. Could do, depending on how long you're coming for. If you're okay to travel, if you want to stay in one place or you want to travel to another city, fly into Tangier for example, and then fly out of Rabat or fly out of Fez, then you get to spend a day or two in another city. Price wise it's the same. No, I've got friends here. I will connect you with a driver to pick you up from the airport. That's all fine. And what else? I'm going to sort the accommodation out for you. I mean, what else do you need? I don't know. All in all, the budget wise, I think £500 maximum. I think for a week is enough for 2 people. As long as you get the cheap flights, yeah, for the £20–30 flights. Thanks for following. Okay.